Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Which two security features are associated with a wireless network employing 802.11i configured as a robust security network? Choose 2. Option A. WEP. Option B. ACCMP. Option C. 802.11x. Option D. IPsec. Option E. TKIP. Option F. 802.1x. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. ACCMP. Option F. 802.1x. Question 2. Before conducting a passive RF site survey with a standalone AP, which two of these should be statically configured on the AP? Choose 2. Option A. Passive client. Option B. Channel assignment. Option C. DTPC. Option D. TX power level. Option E. Channels can defer priority. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Channel assignment. Option D. TX power level. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.